Hey everyone, welcome back to Outdoor Adventures with Doc. Today I'm sharing some camping hacks that will make your next trip more comfortable, warmer, and just plain easier. These are tricks I've picked up over the years and trust me, they work. So let's dive right on in. Magnesium shavings are a great way to get your fire started in a hurry. Lightweight, easy to pack, and reliable in any weather, magnesium burns at an extremely high temperature, making it perfect for igniting stubborn kindling. All you've got to do is scrape off some shavings, or in this case, you can buy them pre-packaged from Amazon, put it in a small pile, then use a ferro rod to spark it. Once it catches, you've got a solid flame to build on. And trust me, I am a firm believer in if you're not cheating, you're not trying. So you're telling me you don't have any magnesium shavings? Well, no problem. There are plenty of other hacks out there, just like these factory impregnated charcoal briquettes, which are an absolute lifesaver. They come pre-soaked with just the right amount of accelerant to make starting a fire quick and easy, even in damp conditions. The best part? They're clean to store and safe to pack without any mess. Toss a few of these in your gear bag and you'll never struggle with wet kindling again. Let's talk about reviving your fire when the flames have died down but the coals are still hot. Instead of blowing on the coals and ending up with burning eyes and choking on all that smoke, grab a battery-powered fan. Aim it at the base of the fire, and the steady airflow will reignite the coals by feeding them oxygen. Within minutes, you'll have flames again without any hassle. It's easy, efficient, and spares you the misery of smoke in your face. If you're looking to be somewhat stealthy or conserve heat, try digging a Dakota fire pit. It's a simple underground setup. One hole for the fire and a smaller hole nearby to create an air intake. The result? A fire that's super efficient, produces less smoke, and is easy to shield from the wind. Perfect for those minimalist camping trips. One thing the military taught me is that I hate being cold. Nothing's worse than crawling into a cold sleeping bag at night, but here's how to fix that. Fill a water bottle with hot water, seal it tight, and tuck it inside your sleeping bag about 10 minutes before you climb in. It'll warm things up perfectly. Alternatively, you could lay on top of your sleeping bag fully clothed for a few minutes to transfer your body heat into it. Then slide in for a nice cozy night. All right, so there you have it. That's it. Some simple but effective camping hacks to keep you warm, comfortable, and stress-free out in the wild. Try these out on your next trip and let me know how they work for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching Outdoor Adventures with Doc, and we'll see you out there.